My name is Mattie, manager of Mattie Service Center. Mattie Service Center has been around since 1993. We're located at 80 Munson Street in Milford, right off exit 35. Between us here, we have a combined 80 years experience. We want everybody to feel comfortable coming here and, trusting us in the repairs that are done.
The trust that I have for them, I would never go anywhere else because I know that when they tell me something, it's the truth. As the years have gone by, it's become more than just my mechanic. People here have become my friends.
I want a place that I feel comfortable with. I want to be able to talk to the mechanics, talk to the owner, and that's what I get here. I know all the mechanics, I know them by name, they know me by name, and that's a good interaction.
We provide pictures and documentation and just love to show customers the old broken parts. That way they get a feel of knowing what got replaced instead of just a bill in their hands. So we do complete tire maintenance, mounting, balancing, full synthetic oil change packages, complete brake repair, complete tune-ups, basically anything that needs to be done to your car. Our hours are 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. We're closed on the weekends, but have 24-hour emergency service available for you. Come on down, take a look at our facility, and check us out.